industrial persons from the Civil Aviation Ministry and the industrialists who have come to Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh for the show. On behalf of the state government, I welcome you here and I hope you have a good show here and more so a prosperous show and a lot of new technology and new ideas could change the civil aviation field in the country. I think we have gone through a lot of change in technology and innovation in all sectors, and now it's a turn of civil aviation. When innovation and technology becomes cheaper and accessible to the common man, that is what is required, and that is what technology is all about. We have seen the cell phone replacing the telephone. We have seen public sector, especially the Doordarshan and Indian telephones, having competition from the private sector. And once private sector has entered the civil aviation field also, the air tickets have become cheaper and within the reach of common man. There were many, I studied in public school, which is just beside this airport. By the timing of the flight, we could say which flight was going on when I was in hostel in public school. That is, there were such less number of flights from this airport. But today, there is a big competition of landing and takeoff like a bus stand or a railway station, of how many flights are landing and how many flights are taking off. Many a times we see the captain telling us we are 8th in line or 9th in line, 10th in line. So that is what the private sector has got to civil aviation. I think we'll have to change with the system. Why it has come within the reach of common man, and with more competition come in, I hope that the tickets become cheaper for everyone to afford, because time is money for everyone today. Business is flourishing. The act of business people trying to go to faraway places, using the airlines, it has to be within their reach. I think that is what this technology and innovation has got us. And with a capable and senior leader like Mr. Ajit Singh leading this field, I am very hopeful that the country civil aviation will prosper, and specifically he will be very kind to Andhra Pradesh in civil aviation. I do not want to put my list of demands in front of him here. I will do that in private. I wish all the participants who have come here all the best for this 3-day show, and for the people who have come for the first time, I hope you enjoy the hospitality of Hyderabad and you have a good stay here. Thank you very much for inviting me here.